Hi viewers, welcome to our channel where we are about to unlock the enchantment of a green nursery garden, a heaven of nature's beauty and serenity. In this captivating video, we shall explore the wonders of creating a lush and vibrant nursery garden that nurtures your plants from their tender beginning. Get ready to immerse yourself in the magic of greenery and embark on a journey that celebrates the growth and life that flourishes within a nursery garden. The birthplace of blooms. A green nursery garden serves as the birthplace of blooms, where tiny seeds sprout into majestic plants. Learn the art of seed propagation from sowing seed in nutrient-rich soil to providing the ideal conditions for germination. Witness the joy of new life as your nursery garden becomes a sanctuary for sprouts, nurturing them until they are ready to be transplanted into your outdoor paradise. The symphony of colors. Imagine a vibrant symphony of colors unfolding before your eyes. A green nursery garden allows you to cultivate a diverse range of plants, each boosting its unique hues and shades. Explore a kaleidoscope of flowers, foliage, and even colorful ornamental vegetables. From the soothing pastels to the bold and vibrant, your nursery garden will be visual feast that sparks joy and awakens your senses. Nurturing tender care. In green nursery garden, tender care is the key to success. Discover the art of nurturing young plants, providing the optimal conditions for growth and development. From monitoring moisture levels to ensuring proper light exposure, learn the delicate balance required to raise healthy and robust seedlings. Witness the transformation from fragile sapling to thriving plants under your loving guidance. A heaven for biodiversity. A green nursery garden acts as a haven for biodiversity, inviting a myriad of creatures to coexist harmoniously. Witness the dance of butterflies as they flutter from flower to flower, bees diligently collecting nectar and birds adding melodies to your garden soundtrack. By fostering a green nursery garden, you play an active role in preserving and promoting thriving ecosystems. Sharing the abundance. As your nursery garden flourishes, so does the opportunity to share its abundance. Embrace the joy of gifting your healthy seedlings to friends, family, and fellow gardening enthusiasts. By sharing your green treasures, you not only spread the beauty of nature but also inspire others to cultivate their green thumb and create their own nurturing heavens. Conclusion. Congratulations, you have embarked on a journey through the enchanting world of green nursery garden. Witness the magic of new life as seeds sprout, nurturing them into a vibrant plants that paint your garden with an array of colors. Through tender care and a celebration of biodiversity, your nursery garden becomes a thriving ecosystem, inviting creatures both big and small. Share the abundance of your nurturing heaven and inspire others to create their own green paradises. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with fellow nature lovers. and gardening enthusiasts. Together, let's unleash the magic of a green nursery garden and experience the wonder of watching life unfold in its purest form.